guys, what is up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's bag, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this glam bag to try. All right, so the first thing opening up this month's bag, we have the little card here, and it says May 2024, The Secret Garden. This month, these spring beauty staples will bring your look into full bloom. Beautiful little card, and then opening it up, it says, behind May's theme, The Secret Garden, indulge in an oasis of plant-powered skincare essentials, vibrant palettes that mimic radiant blooms, and more. And then it tells a little bit about some of the products that will be featured in this month's glam bag. All right, you guys, so here is this month's glam bag, and honestly, I think this may be my favorite one. It is just so beautiful. I love the detail. And then we've got the little gold zipper here that says Ipsy. And opening up this month's glam bag, the first product we have is the Dallas & James Skincare Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream Gel to Water Oil-Free Moisturizer. This has hydrating watermelon, antioxidant superfruit cloudberry, and pore perfecting niacinamide for velvety smooth skin. This is super lightweight, all natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. And yeah, I loved how this made my skin feel. It is a gel, so it looks a little something like that. And yeah, it just feels so nice. Next in the box, we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I do own the full size of this, and yeah, it is definitely a staple for brows. If you are looking for a good brow gel, try this one out. I love this, I swear by it, and it really locks my brows into place. Next, we've got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is a new product for me. I've never tried this. I've always wanted to, but I've just never gotten my hands on it. This has hemp-derived cannabis seed extract that's going to hydrate the skin. And it's got blue agave, which is going to give you that grip and really make your makeup stick. That's definitely what you want in a primer. You want your primer to be very sticky because it's really going to make that makeup latch on and stay all day long. I really like this product and definitely going to purchase the full size. Let's take this underground. You want that other sound? I've got the best around. Nobody ties me down. Don't want to mess with me. I'm dangerous, you see. Nobody disagrees. I bring the cavalry. Next, we've got the What's Up Beauty Egyptian Queen Lipstick. And you guys, when I popped this open, it had a beautiful stamp on the end of it, but it was sadly kind of like ruined. I don't know if in shipping or something it got a little rolled up, but it basically the top of my lipstick was cut off. So I didn't show you guys the stamp because it was kind of damaged and you weren't going to be able to see it, but it definitely, I could tell, was a beautiful little stamp on the end of this lipstick. And it is a gorgeous color. Last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Glam bag, we have the Dazzle Me SOS Hair Powder. This is going to quickly control oil and leave your hair dry and fluffy. I can definitely see myself popping this in my purse and using it for on-the-go hair refreshing. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. I am in love. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. With the Ipsy Glam bag option, you get 5 deluxe samples. Members choose 1 product. Everything inside has up to $70 in value, and it's only $14 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.